5 AI tools that can make you money in 2025. No experience needed. Think AI is only for tech experts. Think again. In this video, I'll show you 5 AI tools you can start using today to make real money in 25. No tech skills required. Number 1, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is more than just a chatbot. Use it to write blog posts, emails, product descriptions, or even ebooks. People are making money by offering content services on Fiverr and Upwork, or selling AI-generated ebooks and prompt packs on Gumroad and Etsy. Number 2, Canva with AI. Canva's AI tools make design easy for anyone. You can create and sell social media templates, planners, or digital downloads, all without needing graphic design skills. Etsy and Gumroad are full of sellers doing exactly this. Number 3, Pictory. Pictory turns text into video automatically, just like this one. You can start a faceless YouTube channel using ChatGPT for the script, Pictory for the visuals, and monetize with ads, affiliate links, or digital products. Number 4, Leonardo.Ai or Midjourney. Want to sell digital art or merch? Use AI image generators to design stunning art, then upload your creations to Redbubble or Teespring to sell prints, stickers, or apparel. Number 5, Notion AI. Notion AI helps you build digital products like planners, content calendars, or business systems. Package them into templates and sell them online. Many creators are doing this successfully. AI tools like these make it easier than ever to build income streams from home without special skills or expensive tools. Which one should I do a full tutorial on next? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more step-by-step tutorials and money-making ideas using AI, subscribe now to Prompt Flow 2.